These are the team that will support my 2025 in all aspects of my work and everyday life. Last year, I jumped between various sizes of ring binders and notebooks, experimenting a lot. But it was the first year I had my planners with me throughout the entire year. Now, I have a clear idea of what suits this season of my life and work. A few things about 2025. I no longer pursue one system or one book to force a single approach to work for all parts of my life. I've realized that it's both impossible and unnecessary. Having a complete, perfect system is not my priority. Living a full life is, and the team will help me achieve that. And this year, I will be grateful for each day given to me and will treasure it fully. My biggest regret is that I had taken my days for granted and let them slip by, or filled them with anxieties, negative thoughts, and worries. This year, my focus is on cherishing each day as a precious gift and truly living it. Every day I will note which day of the year it is and which week of the year this is. This practice will guide me through the year. This is my work planner, and I started using them back in December. Initially, I had planned separate planners, one dedicated to my day job and another for social media. However, after a couple of weeks of use, I realized that keeping everything in one planner works much better for me. After all, I only have one day to focus on at a time, so combining them helps streamline my workflow. For my setup, I chose the Sterling Ink Common Planner Vertical Weekly N1. I use the blank grid pages for my daily entries. I also add horizontal weekly pages from another planner by tearing them out and attaching them to this one with tape. On days when I need more than one page, I tape in extra blank grid pages from another N1 planner. This way, I don't have to worry about running out of grid pages, and I can keep the entire year's pages bound together in one place. For personal life, I will use Hobonichi, Bow and Tie, Sushi Weeks Mega. I used to be more of a planner person, but this year I'm going to start keeping diaries and a journal. These are my two 5-year diaries. The red one will be my diary, and the nude leather one will be my morning future diary. Each has only a small space for daily entries, but I think I'll like that. It will encourage me to carefully craft my ideas and thoughts within the limited space. I shared more details in my previous video, which I'll link in the description. This pocket-sized small ring agenda is for my travels. I used to dislike traveling, but to encourage myself, I shopped for a few travel-related items, and this is one of them. I'm using it as both a passport wallet and a travel agenda. I use it to organize and prepare for trips, keep essential travel information, take notes while traveling, and document memories during and after the trip. This personal-sized ring binder will be dedicated to my finances. I've generally not been great at managing them. Like I did for traveling, I'm setting up this financial agenda to encourage more financially conscious thinking and habits. I love these tabs. They are a great starting point. Since I wasn't sure where to begin, I'm simply filling them in as a first step. This year I'm starting a Commonplace book. I've kept notes before, but I feel the need to curate and compile what captures my interest as part of my self-development. I chose the Hobonichi Cousin for its daily pages, feeling each one will be my daily homework. It's both a commonplace book and an information journal in one, if that makes sense. This L5 Ring agenda is where I collect information and ideas, especially inspiration for my own home. Since my thoughts are always evolving, a ring binder feels perfect. It can grow and change along with me. I'm very excited to use all of these and look forward to 2025. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful year ahead.